don't know if this is gonna be a great idea, but so it's the end of the year. It's actually New Year's Eve right now. We haven't really put out a bunch of footage in the last, week and a half, but we hit 1,000 subscribers thanks to you guys, which you guys are the best. So that's just it's a known thing. I'm freezing. I'm literally shaking so bad because you see there's snow everywhere behind us still. Then you hear something new to the channel. We have a 2004 Pontiac GTO, 6-speed, and obviously, well, not obviously, you can't see in the dark, Turbo LS, but we're gonna do a year-end recap, and well, you guys get to watch all the fun we've had this year. Me and Wifey are gonna do something for the end of the video for you guys, but thank you guys, Happy New Year's, hope you had a good one, and from Average Joe Builds family, Happy New Year's. And now, let's have some fun. You guys enjoy the footage, and we'll see you guys for the next one. I'm shaking so bad. I feel so bad for her right now. You helping? Copyrighted music. When you're driving your LSS10 past your other LSS10, and you pull up behind your K30. Oh, it's cold. Like real cold. Like, oh, freezing my balls off cold. What's going on? Oh, we don't need all this. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna... Well, it started. Maintenance in the snow. Sounds like a great idea. crap, this thing is actually pretty badass. I don't know if this is gonna be a great idea, but Average Joe builds. Happy New Year's. We're out of here, boys.